Good day, my name is Adeni Ajani. In this video, I'm going to take an extract from one of our training program, Building Interactive Executive Dashboard with Excel. You can register for this training program or any of our program by logging onto our website www.turningpointdata.net. You can call me on any of this number or send me a mail. We're looking at sorting data set automatically. Don't forget, dashboard component must give the makers insight for making quick and accurate decisions. Let's look at this element on our dashboard. We can't comprehend it looking at it at a glance. Why? It does not recognize positioning, which is important in dashboard. This second element can give us meaning from a glance. The department position changes automatically when there is a positional change. This can be achieved using combination of Excel functions to automatically sort data set that feeds the dashboard component. The functions are rank.eq, match, index, and VLOOKUP. HR is currently running a program where departments are given points on a regular basis. They provided us with this data, which is cumulated points by each department. It changes regularly. They want this to be on our dashboard, showing the position for each department at a given point. We have decided to use a bar chart. So let's create a bar chart. Let me just adjust it. Now looking at this component, it makes no meaning because I can't deduce position easily, and I don't want to encourage manual sorting since the data changes regularly. So I need to use my rank function. So equals rank. It has three variants. The first one gives an average when there's a match. That means two departments with the same point. This just takes the point, the upper rank, when there is a match, and this is used for older version 2007 and earlier version. I'm going to stick with this. Now it takes three arguments. The first one is the number as the point, the reference, the old point, and the order, which I will stay with descending. Now, but because I'm going to replicate my formula and I don't want to leave this range, I'm going to absolute this range F4. Okay, so I can now replicate it. Okay, now what I now need to do is to arrange the department in my staging area. I'm going to use the index and match powerful combination. Using VLOOKUP will not be appropriate in this case because in my data set, the rank function is not the first column, it is the third column. So using VLOOKUP will not be appropriate. So I'm going to be using the index and match function. So I come here, match, the value I'm looking for, this. My lookup array is where I have my rank being returned. Then I'm looking for an exact match, which is going to be 0. Now the same thing, but because I don't want my rank to leave this, I'm going to absolute my B. Okay, 1. But I'm not interested in 1 or 2. I'm interested in the department, so I'm going to introduce my index that will return the content index. It takes the array, in this case, where I have my department, comma, the row number, the match function will do that for me. The column number is optional. Now the same thing, because I don't want to leave this I don't want to leave this row but I want to change column for the point. I'm going to peg my 2. I'm going to peg my 7. Okay, sorry, I'm going to peg my 7. Okay, in the same vein, I don't want to leave this column I, but I want to change from 2, 3, 4. So I'm also going to peg my I. Okay, I think I'm okay. Thank you very much for that. So I can now drag and replicate. So I'll now use this for my chart. A new chart, insert. Wow, this makes more sense. This makes more sense. Now, but the arrangement administration, which is as the highest point is at the bottom. Now we can always change it. All I need to do is go to my rank. Instead of using ascending, I'm going to be using, instead of using descending, I'm going to be using ascending. So I'll put a 1 here. I will say okay. I will do a click. Voila. Okay, so I have it. Now let's assume the next few seconds logistic gains 400 points. That's 570, and finance gains 45 automatically on my dashboard. Thank you.